Hello and welcome to an OKB train spot, and we're at Thornaby. Thornaby is near Stockton-on-Tees, and now we've got a train coming in, a northern train, got like it, 165480 towards Newcastle, and it is the, well, actually moment, not sure, look like it's the Sunport towards Newcastle, which is the 1203, and yeah. And as we are at Thornaby, and so yes, this is actually a TransPennine Express station. I thought it was a northern station, but yeah, it's quite a nice station, cute little station there. And yeah, so if you like my trains, if you, I said, yeah, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment and comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Today you'll see service from Northern, TransPennine Express, and also a little bit of freight as well. Exactly. We are practically going to go over the other side very soon, actually, if it actually works. And but yes, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. And this train is now set to depart. This is from Newcastle, and thanks for driving for some, thanks for the horn, and the Royal Air Force livery. Years of the RAF, this one is. And I haven't got my tripod here, quite obviously, and that's the 1003 towards Newcastle from Alborn. There you go. I thought it'd be the other way around with the signal. I got that completely wrong. And this is a northern set, and because I don't know the station number, 158850 on this one. So this was from Carlisle to Millsborough, which is the 1207. Actually, right about a minute late, but not much at all. We get more train when it actually departs. Now, the northern set is now departed, 158850, turning towards Middlesbrough, Northern. And we've got a freight train, 66168 on this freight train, DB Cargo UK. Luckily, just got that one. This one from Wilton EFW Terminal to Knowsley Freight Terminal. And that passed at basically 10:10. I was hoping to get that one in, because I don't have to stay for that long to get a bit of freight in, so that's good. So North TransPennine Express, and there'll be some freight as well. There you go. So yeah, that was really good. And the car Middlesbrough one went at 10:09. Now I know how the things work at this station now. Now should we carry on and knowing what to do. We'll get the next train when it arrives and comes. Now we get the TransPennine Express service going towards Manchester Airport from Redcar Central. And first, this one it is 185118. 1021, and the rear it is 185142. And there you go. Now Now we get this northern set, is now departing 156454, and this is from Darlington to Saltburn. And this is 1023 service. Fortunately, we're about to get in because the TransPennine Express came in round about the same time-ish. So yeah, that's what it was. So yeah, let's carry on. Now we've got the northern set coming through here. And 156489. My phone's gone bizarre, and it has. And this one is from Saltburn towards Darlington, which is 1031 Saltburn to Darlington Northern. There you go. Now this northern train now departing, which is the 1031 from Saltburn to Darlington.
Platform 2 from the 1029 TransPennine Express service to Redcar Central. Call it Middlesbrough and Redcar Central. This train has 3 coaches.
And that's the other train we're getting. Now we're getting the other train, TransPennine Express version. TransPennine Express zone was the late run, the 12:29 service from Manchester Airport to Redcar Central. And it's arriving at 10:32. Get more of this train when it actually departs. Now the train's set to depart, TransPennine Express, and it's 185117. And this is TransPennine Express. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. That was good from the horn. That one was late run at 10:29 from Manchester Airport to Redcar Central, departing at 10:33. There you go. Now we're getting a northern set coming in through here. 158850. From Middlesbrough to Carlisle, the 1042. 1042 from Middlesbrough to Carlisle. I'm not going to get it for leave, I'm going to get the other train leaving. So that's what we're going to do next. Now we've got this north set on the other side. And squeaky brake time. This is from 10:43 from Bishop Auckland to Saltburn. We get more of this train when it actually departs. Now the train get ready to depart from Bishop Auckland to Saltburn. 10:43 leaving. 156448. Now we are going to get this train now, she's departing now from Middlesbrough to Carlisle, 10:43. It's got hold up the station somehow, do not know why. It's left at 10:44 in the end. There you go. Now we've got the 10:53 Newcastle Numthorpe, which I've just said it wrong before. It's a 10:53 Northern set. Squeaky brake time. We get more of this train when it actually departs. Now this train ready to depart. 10:53 Newcastle to Numthorpe. This one Northern. Thanks to the driver. 156496 this one is. Oh, I can smell that. And I think I finished the video off. Not video. Going to spend the rest of the video on the other platform now. Let's do that. Now we've got another northern set coming through here. 156471 to Bishop Auckland from Saltburn, which is a 10:58 one from Saltburn to Bishop Auckland. Squeaky brake time. And we get more of this train when it actually departs. Now this train getting ready to depart, which is of course the 10:58 Northern service from Saltburn to Bishop Auckland. Now we get the northern set to come through here, another northern set, which is 156443. And this one is from Middlesbrough to Newcastle, 1103. And we get more of this train when it actually departs. Now this train now departing the northern service, 1103 Middlesbrough to Newcastle.
Platform 2 will be the 1105 northern service to Middlesbrough. Calling it Middlesbrough only. This train has 2 coaches.
Now that train now departed, I'm going to leave it there now. Hope you like my video, I like filming it. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe in the comments, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Oh, it's actually a really good station actually. I was actually quite surprised by this actually, really surprised about this one. I noticed 2 separate sides to it actually, it wouldn't really made it too bad in the end really. And yeah, it's a fantastic station. Was all last minute, but Thornaby I think it's called. And yeah, and now I do remember I have seen some train spotters, not train, but the people, other railway views I've actually done here before. So actually, it actually came sort of, well, now it really came back to me of them sort of like people who did them now. So yes, here at Thornaby Station, probably won't never come back here because it's over become my holiday, and I don't know what the next one will be. Probably, who knows? And I'm going to say goodbye from me here at Thornaby. I'm going to say goodbye and goodbye and goodbye. Goodbye.